I guess here most of them get wrong answer for this problem, wrong order. Here 6 divided by 2 is 3 divided by, here 6 divided by 2 is 3. Here 3 divided by 3 is 1 is the wrong answer as per this order of operations PEMDAS. This 1 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. In this problem we don't have the bracket. Also this exponent also not there. So we are moving to multiplication and division. Here we have all our divisions. For this we are going to follow here left to right rule. Here left to right one is this 6 divided by 2. So we have to do this 6 divided by 2 before this divisions. So here 3 divided by 6 divided by this 2. Here this can be written as 3 by 6 divided by 2. Here we are going to introduce another rule called KCF, which means keep the first one, this one, 3 by 6, change the second one to multiplication. Here flip the third one to 1 by 2. Now 3 times 1 is here 3, here 6 times 2 is 12. Now do simplify here, we'll get here 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 is the correct answer.